Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change ringtone and notification sounds on Motorola Moto G10. First of all, we have to open settings on the smartphone and go to the sound menu. Here in the sound menu, if you want to change the ringtone, expand the advanced and then go to phone ringtone. Here we have two options for phone ringtones, both for the first SIM card and the second one. Now if you want to change your ringtone for one of them, select this option and then select one of the available ringtones from the list. Or if you want to use a custom ringtone, tap Add Ringtone and choose the file from your Files application. And for the notification sound, select Default Notification Sound and change it to any available, or to the custom one in the very same way as we did with ringtones. And tap OK to apply changes. And now for the alarms, pretty much the same. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.